Let's be honest, prospects spot copy-pasted generic templates on LinkedIn from miles away. It hurts your brand and it ruins your conversion rates. To get real results, you need one-to-one personalization. But manually studying profiles and creating personalized messages takes hours. That's why we created the Linked Helper AI Personalized Messages. It's designed to scale your LinkedIn personalized outreach while keeping 100% human control over every single follow-up. Here is how it changes your workflow. The AI analyzes your prospect's actual profile data, like their experience, summary, skills, and instantly crafts hyper-relevant, hyper-personalized pitches. This level of personalization proves to your leads that you've done your homework, boosting your acceptance rates and reply rates. And the best part, Linked Helper operates with complete safety. It mimics human behavior and it works within smart daily limits and working hours, keeping you strictly off the spam radar. And you hold the control. Every generated message lands into AI drafts menu, so you can review, tweak, and approve before anything goes out. Once you're completely confident, just flip auto-approve switch for hands-free autopilot. Massive scale, zero embarrassment. And we didn't stop there. When a prospect responds, the AI reply feature analyzes the whole chat history and offers context-aware strategies to keep the conversation moving. Have a specific goal in mind? Just type a custom prompt and the AI will craft the perfect response for you. Or if you prefer to write replies yourself, just type your raw thoughts and let the AI text editor instantly fix grammar, expand short replies, or change tone right inside the chat box. If you're ready to set up your own AI-powered campaign, let me walk you through the process step by step. To get started, use an invite and follow-up campaign template. Next, the system will ask how you want to send in messages. Choose the new AI personalized messages flow. If you have a paid LinkedIn subscription, you can let the AI write the connection request note. If you're on a free LinkedIn account, choose to start AI personalization from the follow-up messages instead, as LinkedIn limits the number of personalized connection requests to about 20 per month on free LinkedIn accounts. Now let's build the strategy. I want to target SaaS founders, so I'll set my general goal like this. Select how many messages you want in your sequence and choose your tone of voice, friendly, professional, or casual. I'll set the sequence to 4 messages and choose a professional tone. Next, Linked Helper automatically breaks down your general goal into step-by-step objectives for each follow-up. Message 1 establishes a professional connection, message 2 highlights a value, message 3 provides a use case, and message 4 pushes for the demo. And you can manually edit these prompts. Now you need to tell the AI exactly what to care about. You can pick a ready-made preset or customize the fields yourself. Make sure to mark important fields like summary, current position, experience as required. The AI will analyze this exact data to craft the context of your message. To get this info, you can use our instant internal data enrichment to save time and LinkedIn limits, or use the visit and extract method to slowly scrape the full profile page directly. You can even set a fallback to automatically visit a profile if our database is missing the info. Finally, you'll reach the campaign automation settings. Here you'll find the auto-approve AI messages toggle. With auto-approve off, every generated message will land in your AI draft. This allows you to review the text, make manual edits, or hit regenerate. Once you are fully confident the AI has mastered your style, flip the auto-approve switch on and let your hyper-personalized outreach run hands-free. But what if you still prefer standard templates instead of fully auto-generated messages? Well, AI is still there to help you. Using our AI message generator inside the template editor, you can turn a blank page into a winning pitch in seconds. You can ask AI to translate your text for foreign markets, adjust the tone of voice, expand a message or shorten it. You can seamlessly combine AI-generated copywriting with standard variables variables and if then else logic to keep your outreach highly scalable. AI personalization is the key to getting more replies without sounding generic. Set up your first AI campaign today and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Happy automating and see you in the next one.